Now we are making spicy vegan pancakes using some flour, a carrot, a tomato, a spring onion, a chilli, 2 cloves of garlic, some ginger and some turmeric root. Put some flour in a jug. Grate the carrot and put it in the jug. Chop the tomato and put it in the jug. Wash and chop the chilli and put it in the jug. Wash and chop the spring onion and put it in the jug. Grate a small amount of ginger, a small amount of turmeric root and the 2 cloves of garlic and add them to the jug. Fill the jug with soya milk and stir well until it's all completely mixed. When the batter's an even thickness, it's ready to use. Go to the stove, put a frying pan on high heat and add some vegan margarine. When the margarine melts, add some pancake batter. Let the pancake cook, which takes a few minutes, and when it's ready to turn, then turn it over. Let the other side cook for a few minutes, and when it's nice and golden brown, it's ready to eat.